Olives, the green gold of the global economy. With over 5 million tons of olives harvested every year, this small, humble fruit is more than just a culinary treasure. It is a symbol of health, beauty, and sophistication. Known as green gold, olives and their products have become an essential part of the global economy, flowing from the vast sun-drenched Mediterranean fields to international markets across the world. This ever-growing industry is worth tens of billions of dollars annually, showing the immense value of olives not only as food but as an economic powerhouse. From the sprawling olive groves to the drops of pure olive oil that grace our dishes, the journey of the olive is a story of transformation, one that encompasses the secrets of health, beauty, and luxury. The machine is a true game-changer for the construction industry, showcasing what happens when modern technology meets raw mechanical power. Next, let's talk about the heavy-duty garbage truck. It's no ordinary waste collector. This robust machine is capable of lifting incredibly heavy loads, such as an old Gazelle, effortlessly. Its high-powered engine and state-of-the-art hydraulic lifting system allow it to take on the heaviest lifting tasks with precision. Whether it's lifting and dumping garbage or handling bulky, oversized items, this truck performs exceptionally well in demanding cleanup operations. And let's not forget the drivers. Do you think operating such powerful machines requires focus and exceptional skill? Leave a comment if you believe that managing these heavy-duty vehicles requires unmatched expertise. The Brock 330 demolition machine is another titan in the field. Equipped with a high-performance diesel engine, this demolition machine is designed with a compact structure, yet packs incredible power. It is optimized for breaking down even the toughest concrete structures, all while maneuvering through tight spaces with exceptional precision. Its ability to work efficiently in confined environments makes it the perfect solution for urban demolition projects, where space is limited but the need for efficiency is at its peak. The Caterpillar excavator is the embodiment of destruction in action. With a mighty engine and a versatile hydraulic system, it charges into demolition sites, reducing entire houses to rubble in seconds. Its superior crushing ability allows it to tackle reinforced concrete and steel structures without hesitation. The speed and power with which this machine works are nothing short of impressive, turning challenging demolition tasks into a smooth, efficient process. Then there's the Brock 160, a demolition machine built for precision. Equipped with a powerful engine and paired with a BRH hammer and bucket, the Brock 160 excels at demolishing tough concrete floors. It doesn't just break through, it slices through layers of concrete with precision, making light work of even the most challenging surfaces. During this period, the soap bars are carefully stacked into neat columns in a warehouse, awaiting the final stage of their journey. Packaging, bringing olive oil to your table. Once the olive oil has been processed and refined, it is ready for packaging. The oil is transferred to an automatic packaging line, which efficiently fills glass bottles, seals the caps, and applies labels. Each bottle is then subjected to quality control checks to ensure that only the best products reach the market. Olives have long been a gift from nature, not only for their health benefits but also for their ability to enhance beauty and care. The oil extracted from these fruits nourishes the skin, and the soap made from olive oil is prized for its moisturizing and soothing properties. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the olive's miraculous journey, from the sunlit groves to the shelves of beauty stores and your kitchen. This machine is designed for speed and high efficiency, drastically reducing the time it takes to complete demolition tasks. The Akron 575 cable excavator takes deep excavation and cable laying to the next level. With a powerful engine and a modern hydraulic system, it operates smoothly, no matter the terrain or challenge. Whether digging deep trenches or handling intricate cable laying tasks, the Akron 575 delivers impeccable performance. It's engineered to thrive in demanding environments, showcasing its strength and durability even in the most extreme conditions. Meet the Johnson L11211, a 265,000 pounds mobile jaw crusher that redefines crushing power. This machine is a master of moving across any terrain, effortlessly navigating rugged landscapes. Its rock crushing ability is unparalleled, breaking down even the hardest materials with incredible speed and efficiency. By optimizing its movements, the L11211 saves both time and costs, making it an indispensable tool in the mining and construction industries. As the special transport convoy journeys to Pono, watch as these massive trucks demonstrate their immense strength. The process is performed on approximately 500 to 600 turkeys per hour, allowing for efficient population growth on large farms. The incubation process, nurturing the next generation. After insemination, the eggs are carefully placed in incubators, which simulate the natural behavior of a mother hen. The shaking mechanism ensures that the eggs receive the proper distribution of heat and humidity, which is essential for healthy embryo development. This process also prevents the embryos from sticking to the eggshells. After approximately 30 days in the incubator, the eggs hatch into healthy turkey chicks, ready to embark on their own journey. Feeding and growth, automated systems for efficiency. Once hatched, the chicks are fed through an automated feeding system, which ensures they receive the necessary nutrients in a consistent and uniform manner. The feed consists of a specially formulated pellet mix, rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, to support rapid growth and healthy development. As modern machines take charge, each tier of the grand structure falls under the power of advanced technology, leaving spectators in awe as they witness the precision and force of these demolition titans at work. The Fattel-Plain Mort Crans Montana cable car system has raised the bar in cable car transportation. Powered by a 1,000 horsepower engine and modern control systems, it offers a smooth, stable ride that ensures absolute safety for passengers. Its exceptional design and operational precision have set a new standard in the industry, blending efficiency, reliability, and safety in every trip. Imagine this: two powerful machines, the Hydromech HMK220LC and HMK300LC, working side by side. With their incredibly strong engines and superior horsepower, they are a sight to behold. Although they may be cleaning each other, the precision and power they demonstrate in every movement prove that these machines are not only built for strength, they're built for perfection. But not all is flawless in the world of heavy machinery. An accident on the winding road of Quatre Bras Nord-Bergham serves as a sobering reminder. A heavy-duty truck lost control and overturned, despite its powerful engine and modern safety systems. The slippery terrain, sharp turns, and excessive speed proved too much, showing that even the most advanced machines must be operated with care. This accident serves as a powerful lesson in the importance of safety and following traffic laws, even when controlling high-powered vehicles. Finally, watch the fury of an excavator as it unleashes its full power. With its mighty engine and formidable horsepower, it tears apart a house with ruthless precision. The operational systems allow it to complete this destructive task swiftly and flawlessly, leaving behind nothing but rubble and a trail of awe-inspiring destruction.